The exciting world of computer integrated manufacturing comes to life at the SWWC. Why don't we take a little tour with Mr. Vasilov?
Welcome to Advanced Manufacturing, where my students learn how to use their CAD skills to be able to create things and cut them out in a CNC machine, like these ones here.
Mr. Vasilov is an incredible teacher, and I've had him in a couple classes previously, and this class seemed a lot more hands-on, which is something that I look forward to.
The students also learn how to use manual mills and manual lathes.
You're always learning something, you're always using a new machine or trying something new on the computer, and it really keeps it fresh and exciting.
And one can see the finished products like this being cut out on our CNC machine.
So if you want the best manufacturing opportunities, then enroll in computer integrated manufacturing today.
You will not regret it.